Now, there are some mouth-watering clashes lined up for Sunday as the Ray and Nephew, that's the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League kicks into match week 22 with 6 games. Renata Brown has our preview.
All the attention on Sunday will be at the Ferdinand Sports Complex for the top-of-the-table clash between leaders Montego Bay United and Racing United FC. 7 points separates the two teams, with Montego Bay United on 45, while Racing are second on 38. There is more riding on this game for Racing United, as defeat could see them ending the round in 4th depending on other results. For head coach Anthony Patrick, this is a shot of redemption, as their only defeat this season has come at the hands of the Western Kingpins.
Yeah, there's more beers. That's going to be a very tough one. But I think we are going to get yourself in line and get yourself well prepared and get everything in tune for that game.
Montego Bay United's unbeaten run is not as lengthy as Racing's 13, but during the stretch of 7 games without a defeat, they have won 6, unlike Racing, who have won only 5 matches on their run. The most recent win for MBU was a 3-0 result over Malines United, which came despite coach Xavier Gilbert resting some key players.
We know the workload, as I said, in January, Malachi needed a rest. He's ill, but he's ill. Timar, not 100%, and we just didn't see it fit to have them pressure. We want, and the reality is we go up against Racing next week, and we want to make sure that we have everybody fresh and ready going for the Racing game.
At Stets, Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA, with one eye on the round of 16 of the CONCACAF Champions Cup in March, will look to win 4 straight games for the first time this season as they play away to Treasure Beach FC. The St. Anne team could end the day in second place should Racing United drop points to MBU. It will also be the first of 2 meetings between the two over the next 4 days.
Well, for us, as I said, it's all about looking at the next game. We have our mechanisms internally, which we try to look at the overall picture as our technical staff. But as a playing group, we try to look at the next one. And we're not even thinking too far ahead than the game on Sunday against Treasure Beach.
Portmore United are also looking at the second spot, but with 3 draws in their last 5 games, Red of Austin's men will first have to get by veteran coach Lenworth Teacher Hyde, who is looking to save Harbourview's season. The compound is a venue for this clash, with Harbourview 4 points from safety, and may require Hyde to pull out all his experience to avoid the drop.
Well, I'm confident in the work that I'm going to put in. I'm an experienced coach and I know what to do out there. So my work will tell, it's a result-oriented sport. Football in general, you have to get good results. So that's what we are working for. We have to get good results when we play. And I'm just looking forward to that, the work that I'm going to put in. Anything happen. We just have to get good results and try and climb up the table.
Elsewhere, Dunbeholden will have to be careful they are not dragged into a relegation fight, as after 2 wins, they have also suffered 2 defeats and welcome an informed Waterhouse FC team who have won their last 3 matches. If anything, Dunbeholden's 2-0 defeat to Police FC on Thursday must serve as a wake-up call.
Well, we have to, And I think they are feeling bad about how they perform, so I am expecting a rebound come Sunday.
The other 2 matches on Sunday will see Malines United hosting Chapperton Maroons at the Constant Spring Sports Complex, while the Edwards Yaga Sports Complex will be the venue for the contest between rivals Tivoli Gardens and Arnett Gardens FC.
We know it's a good team. They have been working, assiduously. We ourselves have also been working, and we know that it will be a clash of the Titans.
All matches kick off at 3 p.m. Cavalier will play Spanish Town Police in the lone game on Monday.